Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Titan cabin air filter. First, gather your tools: a new cabin air filter, a small flathead screwdriver, and a T20 Torx bit. This process is straightforward and can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. You'll find the cabin air filter located behind the glove box assembly, making it easily accessible for maintenance. To begin, open your glove box and remove all items inside. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the two stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further. Be careful not to force it. Then, locate the small dampener arm on the right side and carefully detach it. This provides full access to the filter housing. With the glove box out of the way, you will see the cabin air filter housing. Use your T20 Torx bit to unscrew the two screws holding the cover in place. Carefully remove the cover. Now, slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay attention to its orientation. Insert your new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points towards the rear of the vehicle. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover and secure it with the two T20 Torx screws. Then, carefully reinstall the glove box, making sure to reattach the dampener arm and engage the side stops. Changing your cabin air filter regularly improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. Remember to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other helpful deals. This simple maintenance task keeps your Nissan Titan's interior fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.